wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip.
What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you guys with a vlog or a how-to video because I have a new project and I was gonna put it on my little house decor video that I'm working on right now, but I feel like this is just like a video in its own. So obviously by the title you know what I'm making, and I'm starting this in the car right now because I'm on my way home from Home Depot because I just picked up all of the supplies and some wood and everything that I need. But I'm so excited because I was looking for one of these like industrial type shelving units, and they're so expensive, or if they were cheaper, it just wasn't big enough for the space that I'm trying to fill. I just thought it'd be cheaper and easier to build it myself. So let's see how this goes. So I'm pulling up to the house right now and I will show you all of the stuff that I got.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try.
Alright, so I need to take these wood pieces in the garage because they need to be sanded because they are super rough and somebody's gonna get a splinter. And also the pipes that I have, they're black, but some of the other pieces are not. So I'm going to spray paint them like a flat black. And then I'm going to test out, I don't know if I'm gonna do a wood stain or if I'm gonna paint these white. Or I can paint them matte black too. I don't know. Cause I don't know if I want it because the table is dark. I don't know if I want that to be dark, especially when the rest of the house is super light. So I'm thinking I want that to be black and white just so it can tie in with this section because we're putting a white floating shelf right there. So maybe I'll make this black and white as well. I don't know. I'm gonna test out the paint on that little scrap of wood and the wood stain as well to see what I like more. Now I do want to mention that I am very much still a beginner. I've been doing DIY projects for some time now, but a lot of the things I pretty much figure out as I go. Now I got this sander on Amazon for maybe 20 to 30 bucks, and I'm not sure if I'm sanding correctly, but it got the job done. Okay, so here are all the pieces to the frame. I'm going to actually put it together and then I'm gonna spray paint it because that makes more sense than to spray paint each piece individually. Flat black that I'm gonna paint it with, and yeah, pretty simple. So of course we got the little flat piece here. This is the one that's gonna go against the wall. The middle T piece and the elbow curved piece. We have a 10-inch and a 12, I think. I'll put it down below, I can't remember, but I'm literally covered in oil now. Great. So here I am connecting the two 12-inch pipes to the iron T. And then on each end of the pipe, I'm gonna connect the iron elbow. And then from there, I'm gonna connect the 3 10-inch pipes. And then at the end of those 3-inch pipes, I'm going to connect the floor flange, I believe it's called. I don't know, it's the circle metal iron piece or whatever that's gonna connect to the wall.
When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they
tighten ends. All right, and we are good to go. Okay. And I'm gonna go wash my hands because, yeah, gross. And then I'm going to get a rag and then some soap and water so I can wipe this down before I spray paint it. So I'll be right back. Okay, I set the pipes out, I cleaned them off, all the oil, and now I have these little hook things. So this is what's going to, let's see, it's gonna go this way here, and it's gonna attach the wood frame to the pipe, just so it doesn't like slide off or anything. So just in case you can see them, I'm going to spray paint those black as well.
No, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but.
Okay, so I absolutely love this black color, and I'm only gonna need one coat just because the pipes were already dark, but I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it makes a huge difference of what they looked like before. Now I need to test this piece out. I'm gonna try it with the wood stain that I got here, which is a golden pecan or whatever you wanna say. And then I have some white paint. Okay, I'm gonna find the white, oh, there it is. So here is my white paint over here. And this is like a white paint and primer. So I'm gonna try them both out and see which one I like better.
But let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them keep talking.
Okay, so it is the next day, just because it got late last night and I had stuff that I needed to do. But the pipes and everything that I spray painted are dry, but I have not started working on the boards yet. So this is what the color looks like, right? I was trying to decide if I was going to use the wood stain or paint it. And after being in my kitchen and looking at it, I think I'm gonna go with the white. So yeah, so I'm gonna get ready to paint the boards white.
They don't how we roll. Let them keep talking. They don't how we roll.
All right, here's what we're working with. I got the two metal frames right there, and then the board painted white. I'm okay that it's not perfect because I want it to look a little distressed. Obviously the inside of that's not painted because it's gonna be against the wall. So, and then I have my little things here, which I painted these so it can blend in, but forgot that the boards were gonna be painted white, so it's really not gonna blend in. But this is what's gonna connect the wood to the frame so it doesn't slide off. First, I would like to apologize for the terrible camera angle because I'm not even showing you what I'm doing. So I currently have one of the metal frames and I have my leveler and I'm just making sure it's nice and level. Then I'm taking a pencil and I'm drawing holes or marks within the floor flange. And then I'm drilling a hole in the wall and connecting an anchor. You do need an anchor for this shelving because it's quite heavy.
I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one I
I found this to be the easiest way to make sure your frame was nice and leveled. I placed a board or anything straight on top of the two metal frame. Oh gosh, please don't call my boyfriend. I placed a board on top of the two metal pieces. Then I placed my leveler on top of that. And then you can go in and make your marks inside the floor flange. Now I did mess up slightly, so don't make this mistake. After I used the leveler, I forgot to pull it off and make sure that the metal frame was leveled. So I have a slight tilt on the right side. Please don't make that mistake, but it wasn't terrible. It was just maybe a centimeter off, and but it's not too noticeable, I hope.
I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving.
Of course my camera dies as I'm filming and I didn't even notice. But here is the finished product. I think it's like perfect to go in my living room or my dining room area. I just got pretty much some wine glasses and stuff and put up there. Also, what I didn't film is attaching these little hook things under there. They were super simple. Just attach that with a little tiny screw. Like, you don't need an anchor or anything for that. And then I just picked up some wine glasses at Target, and also these little plants were at Target for like $5 each. And then actually our landlord gave us those bottles of wine because I think they own like a vineyard or something. I don't know, but they always hand us wine. So I just propped those up there. And then these cute like little balls and stuff that I got at HomeGoods. So when it comes to decorating the shelves, literally you just put things up there and move it around until it looks good. Like, I am not at all a pro or anything like that. I just put it up there and move it around until I'm like, oh, okay, that works. And so that is the finished product.